Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a detailed look at Sony's latest offering in the headphone space, the ULT Wear. So, let's get right into it. The Sony ULT Wear headphones are positioned as a solid mid-range option, promising a blend of great sound quality, advanced features, and a sturdy design. Priced competitively in the mid-range category, they aim to fill the gap between higher-end models like the WH-1000XM5 and more budget-friendly alternatives. Starting with the design, the ULT Wear sports a minimalistic yet functional look. Available in several colors, these headphones are lightweight and feature a foldable design, making them easy to carry around in the provided fabric case. The cushioned ear cups and adjustable headband ensure a comfortable fit, though some users might find the headband a bit tight after extended wear. Now, let's talk about features. The ULT Wear supports Bluetooth 5.2 and Sony's LDAC codec, which is great for high-resolution audio streaming. It boasts a significant battery life of up to 30 hours with noise cancelling turned on, and up to 50 hours with it off, making them ideal for long listening sessions or travel. Sound quality is where these headphones shine. Out of the box, they deliver a balanced sound profile suitable for various music genres. However, where it gets interesting is with Sony's ULT feature, which allows you to adjust the bass levels. While this feature can be great for bass enthusiasts, it may overpower other frequencies at its highest setting. In terms of performance, the ULT Wear excels in most environments with its noise-canceling capabilities, though it's not on par with more premium models. The touch controls on the ear cups work well for adjusting volume, skipping tracks, and managing calls, although call quality can be inconsistent at times. Sony's Headphones app adds another layer of customization, allowing you to fine-tune the EQ settings, manage ambient sound levels, and even optimize the headphones for different streaming services. It's intuitive to use and enhances the overall user experience. So, should you consider buying the Sony ULT Wear headphones? If you're in the market for mid-range headphones that offer solid sound quality, plenty of features, and a comfortable fit for everyday use, then these are definitely worth considering. Just be aware of the bass-heavy nature if you're not a fan of overpowering lows. That wraps up our review of the Sony ULT Wear headphones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.